Okay then, what are your final words for the FMG aspirants and future doctors?
Final words, I think this FMG exam isn't worth the buzz. I feel only there are two things which are of immense importance when it comes to clearing this exam. One is hard work. I think there is nothing that can stop you from success if you are ready to put in the hours and work hard. And second is the proper guidance and support. And for in that issue, I think Dr. Hari and his DMA team is the best out there, giving you the in-depth guidance and exposure for that is required in clearing this exam. So I would highly recommend DMA for your success, and also the Talentmed app during your preparation for this exam. All the best.
Thank you.